गिविंग आवर स्किन दैट एक्स्ट्रा लव केयर एंड अटेंशन ये रेगुलर बेसिस पे बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है. बट कम ऑन लेट्स फेस इट, हम सभी इसे कहीं ना कहीं स्किप कर देते हैं. But right now there are a lot of festivals coming up and I wanted to spend some time and give my skin that extra pampering, and I felt my skin needs to be taken care of. So I am planning to do some skincare at home using a lot of ingredients जो मेरे किचन में अवेलेबल हैं, घर पे आसानी से अवेलेबल हैं. And I thought to make a video and share it with all of you कि मैं किस तरह घर पे face packs बनाती हूँ. And all these 3 face packs are very simple using 2 or 3 ingredients. Let's start the video and see.
So this first face pack is a detan pack and it's made using only 3 ingredients: besan, haldi and lemon juice. And what I'm going to do is I'll be taking 2.5 spoons of besan, which is gram flour, and it's easily available at our home. Then I will be adding around 2 to 3 pinches of haldi into it, and the last ingredient that we are going to add into it is lemon juice. So I have used around half a lemon's juice जो पहले से ग्लास में निकाल के रखा था मैंने. I'll be mixing all these 3 together, and I felt इसमें थोड़ा सा right consistency लाने के लिए wanted to add something. So I'm using this rose water, which is gulabari rose water. So थोड़ा सा रोज़ वाटर डाल के और इसकी एक पेस्ट लाइक कंसिस्टेंसी फॉर्म करेंगे. So all these 3 ingredients that we are using in this face pack are magical. Besan, it has alkaline properties, it helps in maintaining the pH balance, and it also removes toxins. Haldi, as we all know, is a magical ingredient. It is antiseptic, antibacterial, it fights pimples, breakouts. And lemon juice is rich in vitamin C. Again, it is antioxidant and also reduces any sort of skin damage. So I am just putting it all across in a smooth layer around my skin. I will let it be for roughly 10 minutes, let it sit on my face, and एक बार ये इस तरह से dry हो जाएगा, then I'll wash it off and that's it. This next face pack is again made using 3 very basic simple ingredients. The first one is Multani mitti, which is easily available online. The second is aloe vera gel and sandalwood powder. I am taking around 2 spoons of Multani mitti. ये Multani mitti आपको online Amazon या किसी भी online store पे मिल जाएगी इस powder form में. So we are taking that. Then we will be putting in this sandalwood powder, which is around 3/4 spoon, and this is also, I've bought it online, it's available in the form of powder. The last ingredient that will go in this face pack is aloe vera gel. I'm using this Wow Skin Sciences aloe vera gel. इसके भी around 2 spoons लेके मैं इस पैक में ऐड करूँगी. And you know what to do next. We are going to mix everything together to make a smooth paste out of it. I felt the need of adding a little more aloe vera gel, so I'm doing that, and थोड़ा सा rose water add करके मैंने perfect paste form किया है. Again, the ingredients in this are amazing. Multani mitti fights acne, pimples. It deeply cleanses the skin. This is a perfect anti-acne face pack. Sandalwood powder has helps in maintaining structure of skin cells. It's really cooling and soothing on skin, and aloe vera gel supports production of and release of collagen. So some amazing ingredients mixed together, put in the form of a paste, left for around 10-12 minutes, and then I washed my face, and that's it. This last face pack is a perfect brightening face pack. इसमें यूज़ किया है मैंने राइस फ्लावर, योगर्ट एंड टमेटो जूस. I am taking again around 2.5 spoons of rice flour in the beginning. Last में मैं जब paste form करूँगी, I'll see if I'll feel the need to add a little more. So अभी we are adding 2 spoons of rice flour, and then I am gonna be adding some yogurt into it, again around 2 spoons exactly. And the last thing is we'll add some tomato juice जो मैंने पहले से ही ग्लास में ले रखा है. I'm randomly adding a few drops of it, not an exact quantity. I'm trying to avoid some seeds ताकि application के time पे it doesn't keep falling. Now mixing everything together, I felt the need to add a little more rice flour, so वो मैंने थोड़ा सा add किया है. As I told you, this is a perfect brightening face pack, as rice flour is a wonderful exfoliator. It also has brightening properties. Yogurt moisturizes the skin, reduces wrinkles and reduces pigmentation as well. And tomato juice, we all know, is a perfect option to remove any sunburn or skin tan, and it also helps in removing dead cells. So all these 3 ingredients mixed together in a perfect paste मैंने पूरे अपने फेस पे अच्छे से अप्लाई कर लिया है. इसे अगेन ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगा ड्राई होने में, तो 7 to 8 minutes इज़ व्हाट इट टुक. और जब ये थोड़ा सा ड्राई हो गया था तो लास्ट में डायरेक्टली वॉश ऑफ करने के बजाय I have rubbed it off just like a scrub. It just comes off like that very easily, and it also removes all the dead skin cells. And this is how my skin looks now after washing off. After all the skincare that you do by applying face packs, it's also important to pack it up with right kind of moisturization and toning. So here I've applied rose water to tone my skin. I'm using this face oil from Plum to moisturize my skin. 2-3 drops I've taken on the face and gently massaged over, because इतने face packs और cleansing के बाद में, scrubbing के बाद में, all the pores are open, so it's important to seal it so that no dust or dirt goes inside directly. And I just love this pampering session. I feel the way my skin feels and looks after it. It feels so nourished, moisturized, clean.
तो ये थे 3 सिंपल इजी होममेड फेस पैक्स. मुझे ये फेस पैक्स यूज़ करने में, बनाने में बहुत मज़ा आया. आई एम नॉट श्योर वेदर यू कैन नोटिस इट नॉट, बट मुझे अभी अपनी स्किन एकदम फ्रेश, मॉइस्चराइज, क्लीन लग रही है. So please try these face packs back at home. They are very easy. Give yourself some love, care, and if you are new to my channel, as usual, I request you to subscribe. And thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.